How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. So here is updated method to send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap, and here is how to do so. First of all, open the Snapchat app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is tap on the photos icon available right next to the camera click icon. Then you'll be navigated to your camera rolls. Now, simply tap on the camera roll option available at the top. Once inside the camera roll, all you have to do is look for the photo or video you want to send to the normal snaps. Now, here I choose the first photo. Now, this is what I want to send as a normal snap. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right. Then tap on the remix snap. Now, all you have to do is make sure to tap on the same icon I have tapped inside the remix snap. Then tap on the camera shutter icon available there and click the photo again. Now tap on the send to and send it to your friends. Now it will look like a normal snap and it won't show it is from camera roll. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.